Okay. Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at my sheep. Before we get started, please like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, share with everyone you know, and comment down below. Okay, let's take a look at them.
The sheep are in the barn. It's not what we want.
No.
But they're in the barn. So it's something that we have to deal with. So whenever you're dealing with something, you got to make the best of it. So That's exactly what we're doing here, is we're making the best of it.
The only reason they're in the barn is because of the babies. It's way too cold to have babies outside right now.
So they're in here because we're lambing.
Yeah.
And we shouldn't be lambing, which is, and the reason being for that is we didn't get the ram out quick enough.
Yeah.
So in saying that, it was a money mistake on our behalf, because now we have to feed hay. We could actually be out grazing. Yeah. And we're going to be able to be out grazing for at least another 10 days. But we're in here.
They've been in here since December 23rd.
Yeah, they've been in here since March.
You got yourself.
We have some first timers.
Yeah.
We have some first timers. We are having some singles here.
Yeah. Now, these girls should have had doubles this year. Everybody in this coop should have had doubles. The only young one is up in that coop up there.
Okay.
That should have had a single. Yeah.
All right.
We actually got twins up there, though.
But you know what? These guys are not.
They're very healthy babies.
The babies are healthy. They're being very well taken care of. The moms are good. So I'd rather take a single than triplets any day.
Yeah, triplets are hard. Yeah.
As long as we're over one. I know a lot of folks, they want a 1.5 ratio in order for them to make money. But the only cost that we have in these guys is hay. Mm-hmm. The hay costs us $65. It costs us $65 a week to feed these guys. And actually, they'll last, 8 days? Mm-hmm. So It costs us $65 to feed them 8 days. And that's not too bad. It could be more. But we got some lambs in here, Em.
Yep. I have 6 in here.
Yeah, you got some lambs in here.
6.
We had a lamb that had a baby at 9 months old. She was 9 months.
She's still up there.
And she's still up there. And we're going to go up and look.
Yeah.
But we got some really colorful sheep here.
Especially this one down there.
Yeah, that baby there is pretty colorful. But the lambs that we got from last year, I really like this ewe lamb here. Yeah. She's short statured. She's got good muscling, and she just a good little ewe lamb.
Her mama's right here.
Oh, that's her mom?
Yeah, that's her mom.
Okay. You can see the lambs that we got. Now, why is this one here so small, Em?
Because it was a twin from a first timer. This one here was a first timer last year. Mm-hmm. Around 9 months old. Had a set of twins that were really small. Okay. So she might be a little bit set back in her growth.
Okay, and her brother's out in the pasture field? Yep, we have her brother out there. We may keep him for breeding.
Maybe. We'll see.
Yeah. Emmy's got these girls tamed down, so we can't move them around much. But you can see the lambs. The lambs are all doing really well. Em's gonna bed this down here
Yep.
tonight. It's got too much manure down as far as I'm concerned.
Planning on doing that anyway.
We got some really loud looking sheep. Some really nice looking sheep. That's a cute little guy there, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is a cutie. Little ram lamb.
Yep.
Okay, let's go up and look in the other pens. Sherman. Holy moly, look at that one.
Oh my lord.
Is she pregnant or what?
Definitely not. No.
Do we think she's pregnant? I know the ram's pregnant, but man, look at that.
Yeah.
Look at her.
Wonder if she can actually get her butt off the ground.
She doesn't even have any milk in her yet. She might be a triplet having triplets.
I hope not. Don't say that. I don't want triplets. Hi, Paige. And here is our 10 of these.
Let's go in there and look at them.
Yep.
This is a thing for the collie dogs to watch. Watch the lambs. Okay, these are the set of twins that we had earlier.
Yeah.
We'll see how this black one... Sherman! We'll see how this black one grows out, but we may be keeping him for breeding purposes.
I'm trying to convince Dad.
Because we need to swap out our ram. And then that's his
brother.
They're both
Boys.
Yeah, we're having a lot of rams this year. How many twins do you have? Or how many ewe lambs do you have?
3, I think.
3 out of 9.
Yeah, out of 9.
Yeah, this ewe here, she's pretty fat too. Look at that.
She, believe it or not, tried to steal the wild colored one down there.
Did she?
Yeah, she tried to steal it.
Good mom. Hey.
Yes, that crazy.
Tessie. But anyhow, this lamb back here in the corner, she's 9 months old.
Yeah, this is her baby.
Her
the only reason her baby's chewing on us is because it's kind of on a bottle. She doesn't quite have enough milk, which isn't a first timer thing. So
yeah, she doesn't have a lot of extra milk, so we're supplementing the baby with a bottle. It's taking about 12 ounces a day.
Something like that, yeah.
About 12 ounces a day.
Actually, probably double that.
Mom's giving it some, but we are supplementing it.
Yeah.
But anyhow, there's the collie dogs.
They get really excited when it's this time of day.
They absolutely love sheep, and they're breeding.
Yeah.
Okay, let us out, Em. Here's the turkey, our tom turkey.
That's my tom turkey.
That's a tom turkey. We're going to have him for Christmas dinner, but he's so nice, we're not going to butcher him. We're just going to let him hang out.
He's my tom turkey. You have the hen.
Yeah. So.
The hen doesn't like me.
Yeah. And there's little Toby. I didn't see her come down.
She's down here.
She would rather come down and stare at sheep than go do cows, and she is probably our best little cow dog we got.
Yeah. Good, Toby.
She might be putting milk down, Em. She may be putting milk down, that brown one there.
Maybe. That's Brownie's lamb.
Yeah. You got 2 brownie lambs over here too, don't you? 1. You got 2 of them here that look like brownie lambs.
Yep, but that one was out of the mumbo that's up here. That one's out of brownie.
Okay. All right.
Okay, guys. There was the sheep. They're doing pretty well for this time of year. Having babies. There are 9 babies on the ground right now. But before we
And how many are you expecting?
A lot.
A lot.
A lot.
Em's expecting a lot of babies this year. Hopefully we may have some that we can sell this year. We've been retaining our ewe lambs and growing our flock, so hopefully we'll have some.
Let's hope, but right now it's looking like we're going to have a lot of rams.
Well, it's looking like we're going to have a lot of rams, but next year we're not going to make this mistake. They should be out grazing, truthfully. They need to be out grazing.
Yeah.
And they're stuck here in the barn, which I don't really care for. So,
before we let you go, please like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, share with everyone else, and comment down below. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
See ya.